escape the argument even when the closet doors seem closed. Hear voices in the dark, shuffling our feet. Someone here is dragging something across a desolate street. They think they do, but they don't. No, they think they can, but they won't. You ever know? Seen them almost every day and have the same conversations. So polite in a public place, but in privacy it's only confrontations. I hear her scuffling around, I hear a young woman cry. Next day they drag the leg and a divorced mother cries. Why? How could I lose my only child? How could they drag her down? Well, do you know she was lost long before now? Tossing each other into the coals. Maybe it's how they keep the flames. Maybe they enjoy the bricks and their stones. I hear a diesel engine and some farm machinery.